and welcome to the blog gist for this time on top your ogbonge television station wey be Naija TV. Yes, this now where we dey samakwe una all the latest story around the world. Yes, so my name now Oviase Susan, the total one of Naija and the Otunu one of Naija TV, and this na the story as e dey hot. 60 workers for Lagos Ibadan Railway don catch corona. Federal government dey talk that one no. Senior man Rotimi Amechi wey be say na him be the Minister of Transportation, he don talk say 60 people wey dey work for the Lagos Ibadan Railway they don catch corona. The man say dem for don introduce the railway project first week of January o, if not be say corona just enter area start to dey show man dey spread am pits. So like this now they need to shift the opening day go front, even though say nobody kpai. Yes, so he say they never know when they go open the railway o, say because now when corona go down dem go get mind to open am, but for now they need to learn how to dey live with corona. Yes, so federal government don shift school resumption dates. Federal government they don shift the dates when school they suppose start class work back. Una know say dem bin talk say na January 18 dem go open school na. Federal government don talk say that kind of arrangement e no gel at all, and na true because see corona still dey outside. E no go make sense make students dem go dey gather dey join body for classroom by this time. This one e make sense wella. PTF chairman wey be Boss Mustapha, he don yarn say school and church wey dem open na im make Naija corona worse. Na so he talk o. He say even though say dem dey ginger dey find how they go take handle the corona, they dey learn how they go take live and put corona on lock, say dem still need to look the reason wey give corona mind to just enter area dey dance galala for we obodo. Yes, una know say the chamo with him family na they just dey come outside for isolation, so all of them dey do shook eye dey put for the matter on top the corona matter. Say school and church when open back, so when they dey do other gatherings, say na wetin give corona ginger to come dey spread am pit, dey form jagaban dey waka for the area dey cast things anyhow. Na PTF Shamu Boss Mustapha na him yarn that one. Then still on top the COVID-19, one Naija lady, one Naija babe, she called us say she don record where one immigration official, the man just dey touch people passport, just dey touch am. This man no wear mask, he no wear glove, he just dey touch am anyhow. The lady don vex. And then na Temitope Olagbegi, she say she just travel come back o, say immigration officer dey process her, the guy dey process her na. She come dey observe say sure this guy no wear mask o. Say that boss na why for some kind people sef o. How person go dey handle plenty people passport, he no go wear mask, he no wear glove for inside this corona? And this lady wey dey talk so, she say her friend just die o, and her corona poof the friend so. She said she can't even tell the man quietly, say oga o abeg wear your mask na. Say dem no dey gree answer, and then she cut chain start to dey shout, say oga why you no wear your mask, oga abeg wear your mask, wear your mask. So before you know wetin, as she dey talk so na so dem seize her passport. They can't even they tell her say make she go Lagos Island, and no Lagos Island na for Idumota. You know how people they gather body for there. Come tell her say make she go there, go they tell market people they say me they wear mask. In fact I bet me not be like say na me they talk. Make I even show na the video when the auntie do say, because the matter it be as it gets.
Simple.
Give my passport, please. Dantala, give me my passport. Give me my passport, Dantala. Yes, Dantala, give me my passport.
She said when she even called tell them, say she won't see their oga pata for the place. Say they call they tell her say she must first delete all the video and all the picture then where she don't you don't really see something. My people, yes. So this one say man sure make you not call they talk nonsense. Yes, now FFK now they tell Murik the Muslim rights concern them, say may they use maturity till they talk, may they not they talk anyhow. You know say dem be talk say make President Muhammadu Buhari say make him ban Donald Trump, make him not enter Nigeria again based on say na him ginger him supporter dem, make they go scatter things for inside Capitol Hill. They call say make they tell President Muhammadu Buhari say make Donald Trump not enter Nigeria again. And you see this FFK so now talk in 2029 talk this one no see bros FFK he no dey use Donald Trump say they play o, he no dey use the matter play at all. Now he talk for him Twitter say all those people there where they say make we ban Donald Trump, make it no enter Nigeria again soon, they supposed tie them, put them inside monkey cage, export them like bag of garri, go Saudi Arabia, come dump them for inside ghetto for Riyadh, so that they not go ever come back again. Say sure make una know they cap illegal. Plus FFK, you go Canada, no. So one man when they do street light for area, the man say not go try am again, no. Say not go try am again. The man don't look for the area, say area they dark for night. People they know they see road, so people they waka they shook leg for gutter, they waka they shook leg, the night they shook them for leg, and you know say the man cause say me do street light for area. Oh, na better thing before now. And as people not to they give them light, the man call they use engine. Say they power the street light safe. Now so the street people they go there, they go plug their fan, they go connect their AC, they go connect electric pot, cook beans, they go plug their microwave, they go there carry shirts, iron shirts, they go charge their phone. Some they over they charge their power bank safe. Now so this generator crash. As the generator crash now the man cotton no say the people they tap the light, say they do things. The man say I see fix the gen. Say he no go ever try am again, give them light for their street light again. Nigeria people. And so one 18-year-old guy don't die for where again a small girl, 18-year-old girl, she don't die for where she take go fire down. No. They go arrest the man named Dr. Abash. They go meet for Zauza room now for inside Yobe State Government Lodge for Damaturu on January 6. So where they tell they break wire now, where they tell they now the girl just quench. Now so police enter there, catch the man, and the man where they catch, so the man they say he say now he say in they work for Ministry of Police Affairs. So now so this man say go break wire, this pikin the girl just poof like that too. So Tori food today vlog gist, so my people, kidnapper don kidnapper for Abuja. Now 1,555,000 naira. They collect and reach 5,000. Now they take release am. And this kidnapper, so now kidnapper when people know for Abuja say, if they kidnap anything, they kidnap human being, kidnap fowl, kidnap. If you leave your lizard, if you leave your egg, the man go kidnap. The man don't kidnap everywhere. Now they kidnap and join you. It's all don't reach you. So they be don't see the life now. Yeah. So hi, Nigeria don record 1,224 new case, 244 new cases of coronavirus like this. NCDC don't even share they take collect, and you know say everybody collect their own. Lagos collect 774. Abuja FCT they don't collect 125. Plateau they collect 102. Anambra na 47. Ondo collect 46. Rivers they shop 27. Edo na 18. Kaduna 16. Ogun 16. Gombe 16. Bauchi 11. Kano 11. Nasarawa 10. Akwa Ibom na 7, Sokoto 7, Borno 5, Ekiti 4, Zamfara 2. And so like this now 101,331 people confirmed cases of coronavirus now we get for Nigeria like this. So and now 1,361 people now don't poof on top COVID-19. 80,491 people now they don't discharge, say me they go out like this. So they don't say they don't recover from the disease. So oh love this sweet too. Shehu Kuti wife, she come, you know she and you know Shehu Kuti na Baba Fela pikin na when they blow that thing. In wife and in a chef day she come post one video where she and her husband they do lovey. Today na birthday, today na the man complete 38 years now. So the thing come sweet the old man. Oh, she called they tell you, she will caption the video say, see your day, baby. This thing too sweet. Not let me go see. I'm gonna see the video. Make a show na the video. Oh. But this love you get power. A love oh banana. You can love you be as you get Okay, hey, for Arsenal. Now no Arsenal player na be the highest player like this for Arsenal na Ozil, Mesut Ozil. He say he no go ever regret as he decide say he won't go dey play ball for Arsenal. Yes, so when he answer people when they ask am say whether they enjoy him play so far for the team, he say like this, so say no dey ever regret am. Say even though some things not to be as e be before and matter they get as e dey be sometimes, say he no go ever regret am lie because when they collect am for Arsenal na $57,500 na they take sign am and like this na 300,000 per euro in dey collect every week for Arsenal. But since when they start this their league, so he never play match, but he still say he no mind, say he no go ever regret waiting. Bros, continue abeg, God go bless you also. Yes, so hey, Donald Trump we don't approve state of emergency for America. Now no say after in supporter they go scatter inside Capitol Hill na president people call dey talk say the new president elect, the man when the people dey choose, so say na him dem want make him be new president of America, say that man no go dey safe o, that man no go dey safe o. Na the American president Donald Trump he can't declare state of emergency for inside district of Columbia, and na from January 11 to January 24 sake of say the man when people choose, so they talk say e be like say he need to dey safe for his swearing in when they go do for January 20. So na so e just be o. Kim Kardashian, they say Kim Kardashian dey shame body, say dey shame body o, say because people dey talk say her husband and her before friend dey run things. Yes, so she get one friend before and they no know wetin happen. Their friendship be just sour like beans when they soup when they shook hand. Say the guy name na Jeffree Star, na makeup artist. They say her husband Kanye West na no her husband after the say the husband with the friend, so say be like say they run things for backyard. They say Kim can't know. They say they talk here. Say it be like say na wetin make Kim dey talk say she no want marry Kanye West again after their two don born 4 children. Say na the shame body of wetin Kanye and the friend they do, so say na wetin they make the thing they pepper Kim for body. Say her own husband, her own correct husband. Me and everybody know that guy now. Say her husband, say he call the follow her friend, the makeup artist friend, so na guy o. You understand? No, they see the thing when person they talk, so we gonna let person see that thing. No. Yes, so over there people they call they try fufu for the first time. You know, say those people now once they see new thing, they go want know, they go want test time. They can't say they want try fufu, they want they taste, they can't enter restaurant, they can't go buy fufu, call buy and then sometimes they go buy am with egusi soup. They go buy, if you get somebody when buy egusi soup and not cross soup because you want try. Fufu not be small, he say na small man they show fufu. Man, I want to see the video, more see how they show the fufu.
Bunch of people on TikTok trying fufu and egusi soup. And I went to my local Nigerian restaurant and I asked for egusi soup, but I don't think this is it because this is not what it looked like on TikTok when I saw it. But regardless, whatever this is, I'm gonna try it for the first time. See how it is. Don't know how to eat this. I saw something about people saying you're not supposed to chew it, but I'll try. I don't know. I don't know how you're not supposed to chew food, but we'll try. That's pretty damn good. I also have fish tilapia as well. Delicious.
I'm watching this one guy in particular and this other lady in particular eat this African food on TikTok for like a month now, and they make it look so good. So I drove 1 hour and 23 minutes all the way to Inglewood, California. I live so far to come try this. I got some okra and some egusi and some fufu. Bomb. It is so worth it. I came to this restaurant called Veronica's Kitchen on Hillcrest Drive or Street. I don't know. I'm not sure. Oh my goodness. I met this lovely customer who was also in there. Lovely lady. This one's so bomb and it's just hot. I'm burning my tongue.
You dey see us so. Omo na really fufu. You dey chop the fufu so you dey sweet am for body. They shop food for the gods. It is say na, is the fufu na small mark food. Shop fufu. So then the other one say, call they shop the fufu with the soup. You know do it called bite tilapia fish when they fry with better stew. So they shop and this one they shop fufu. They shop fufu with egusi and okra soup. He say na egusi. And not be egusi na egusi soup that they call and you understand. That's so they shop and when you roll the fufu, you go shop and with the soup. No problem. Na introduction. No problem. So on top the matter, so now here now we go take first play on top blog gist for this time. But I not forget to. I still remain Uviase Susan, the Otunu one of Niger and the Otota one of Niger TV. As soon as they do on a day-to-day activity, so when I tell they work hard, they find daily bread. Man must not live by bread alone. No, I remember. When they mask up, they wash hand. They practice social distancing, they maintain and well, you understand? They make you for not see bad thing. Koro, no go dance galala on top our head. Na do.